What's up guys? Today I am going to be watching Spider-Man Brand New Day in cinemas. But before that, my mom will quiz me.
Okay, who's the first live-action Spider-Man?
Nicholas Hammond.
When was The Amazing Spider-Man 2 released?
2014.
How about Into the Spider-Verse?
2023.
Into the Spider-Verse?
Oh, 2018. I thought you were talking about the first one.
You thought I was talking about what?
The second one.
What's the title of the second one?
Across the Spider-Verse.
Okay. How about the Spider-Man 3 Tobey Maguire?
2007.
How about which movie was released in the year you were born? 2017.
Homecoming.